Hi guys, today I am talking about tarot cards, about some specified positions. Firstly, the world card in the position of the problem. On the position of the problem, the world indicates that the source of the problem comes from inner feeling you experience, which makes you become a completely satisfied and integrated human being. You have reached a stage in which you have succeeded in balancing your energies, and that is the reason why you feel confident today when it comes to choosing the step to take. The world card is indicating that problems comes from the inner feeling that you are experiencing now. Now I talk about the next card. This is the card of the Hanged Man. On the position of the moment, it indicates that the day to see things from a different perspective has come. It is good to revolve around the past, but then you should leave it behind and focus on the new situation you are faced with. You should get used to this new situation instead of devoting your attention to what has been left behind. Now, the third position I will talk about. My God, the death is king on the position of crossroads. My God, it is the card of death. I always concentrate on this card when I got this in my readings. Anyways, I'm conveying the messages. My goodness, God bless me. It is indicating that meeting with people who will help you block roads. The night is over and a new day begins. New opportunities and re-establishment arise. The card of death is indicating that past is going to out from your life and you will get the new life and the new birth with very good opportunities and re-establishment and refoundations. Now the next position is the first choice position. And on the position of the first choice, I got the card of the sun. The sun is the light that develops in every human being and says, here I am right now. Remember the blaze of love. The blaze of love is the only one that prevents discord. This Surya, the sun, is very good indication of positivity, and it is indicating that the first choice about you talking right now, it is the yes woman from this card. Now next position is the second option, and I got the card the star. The star about the second choice is indicating following the road, harmony disappears. You have no possibilities of improvement. You will be so strict as to your points of view. Your hopes will be unsatisfied, and it will be very difficult situation for you to communicate with other people. Now the next position, I got the card of the hermit about the third choice. Tarot suggestions about what to do in order to solve the problem in our favor. This is about that. And I got the hermit. It is indicating the hermit takes you to an inside location where light, wisdom, and silence prevail. That's where you will find all the answers to all the mysteries that disturb you all the time. And about star, I talk something The star card was about the events that will take place if we choose the negative road, and that of inactivity towards the problem. So it indicates that your hopes will be unsatisfied and you will be very uncomfortable in some situations. Guys, I shared this my card spread for getting a reading for any one person. So if you enjoyed my reading, then please hit the like button, and if you get your answers in this reading, then please let me know. Usually this reading was just a general reading about anyone, and if you want to get personalized readings, then please contact me. Thank you to all. Take care.